First, let's take a look at the modified iPhone 8. Our non-destructive modification ensures that every detail meets the factory standards of a new iPhone. We have relocated the iPhone 8's front camera to the bottom speaker hole. This means there is a hidden lens inside the speaker hole, facing forward. Open our pre-installed black screen recording app. Simply click to enter the black screen recording mode to start recording. The app is powerful and easy to use. Aim the hidden lens at the object on the table and click to enter the black screen recording mode. Exit the recording mode and let's check the recorded content. It is saved locally, so there is no need to worry about video leakage as there is no server monitoring. You need to manually add the videos to sync them to the album, so there is no need to worry about others accessing your album. Import the video to your computer to view the original footage just recorded